Both station, right? Were you from China? Or which place?
So loved? Is it its history? Is it its shape, the technology?
I think it's probably a combination of a number of things. Yeah, the historical side of it, obviously an aircraft built and engineered in Britain, which is fantastic, back in the design of back in the late 40s. The shape, of course.
To show exactly what this product can do for bracket interior placement. And what I'm also before the assembly signed off on.
And presumably part of that efficiency is the velocity.
It certainly does. I mean, but it is just because it's also accuracy.
There is a large galaxy.
All the expensive components are located in one small avionics pod in the front, and that easily pops off as well. That comes down. The entire thing fits out maybe a foot square or so, and a half a foot in thickness. And we can also put it down on the ground and step on it as well to prove its robustness there. The other good thing about it is it's really, really smooth, so you can place it into take the place of ammunition or food or all that things that are very important for social security. Can strap on.
Go.
It looks like a vegan, like a crippen. You like that, do you? You like Russian things. They're a bit bigger than the Griffin. No, I don't know.